These are seriously tough nuts. So around here, crows don't give up easily. This time, she's cracked it, dexterously aiming for the larva's jaws. Its bite seals its fate. The crow disarms the larva by removing its powerful jaws. Caledonian crows acquire their knowledge through both practice and learning from others. The crow calls this should do the trick. But he's got to get the grub to bite, and that's not so easy. It's tantalisingly close. The stick is a bit too long, so he decides to shorten it. It's now spot on. His newly acquired skills pay off.